Now the question here is Broca's area 4 represents. The options are precentral gyrus, postcentral gyrus, ventrolateral sulcus and ventromedial sulcus. So whenever Broca's area comes to our mind, actually Broca's area number 44 is something that we remember mostly. And whenever we discuss about the Broca's area, we have another very important area, that is the vernix area. So I'll be mentioning both because both are important for exams purpose. One is the Broca's area and second one is the vernix area. Now the Broca's area basically helps in producing coherent speech. Actually, there's no problem with the comprehension of the speech. Comprehension is not affected in case of Broca's area, whenever there is problem with the Broca's area. Now, vernix area, basically it helps in speech processing and understanding the language. Helps in speech processing and understanding the language. Now, if there is a problem with the vernix area, there will be affection of the comprehension. Comprehension of the language can be affected. Now we'll be coming to the Broca's area now. So this Broca's area, actually it is named after the scientist Paul Broca. Paul Broca. Okay. Now we should talk about a very important part of the brain that is known as the precentral cortex. Now precentral cortex has three functional areas. One is primary motor area. Then we have premotor area, and then we have supplementary motor area. Now this is called the precentral cortex, right? Now this precentral cortex is going to have a area that is known as the Broca's area, and it is situated in the precentral gyrus of frontal lobe. So there will be a frontal lobe like this in towards the here, if you remember. So this is going to be the frontal lobe, and this area somewhere, and it is generally found on the left actually. So this area is called as the Broca's area, and here you will be having a precentral gyrus. So this is going to be a precentral gyrus, and that will be actually present on the temporal aspect or the lateral aspect. Okay, and there will be this particular lobe will be present on the frontal lobe. This particular area present in the precentral gyrus, precentral gyrus of frontal lobe. So I'll just try to give you an idea about the precentral gyrus, that is the Broca's area, and Broca's area number 44 or 4 sometimes it is written. So it is generally seen in the precentral gyrus of the frontal lobe, right? So yes, the answer is of course option 1, that is precentral gyrus of the frontal lobe.